Now we want to join the animation we have created together, and we are going to be using an app called Insert. As you can see it here, so it is available on your Play Store, or you download it on our Telegram page. So you click it and open it. So once it's open, you click on video, create new, then you click on new. Once it's load, you will see some videos. So these are just videos, but we are not you will not click on video because the animation you download, it is under photo. So you click on photo, it will load. Once it load, so you click on it. This is one of it. One, two. I can as well add this one. Okay. So once you are done with that, if you create like four, like five, you pick everything together. So having pick that, you click on this mark. So click on this and it will load. Good. And that is how you turn it to video. It comes in form of image, but it will later become a video. Now the next thing is that you add text. Click on T, on that letter T. So it will bring out something that you where you need to type. So let me type this one and name it as the bright. Don't forget we are creating for uh we are creating video. Don't forget we are creating video for supermarket. So I will name it the bright supermarket. Now with edge, you can decide to it or reduce it. I'm taking it up. I'm taking it up. You can change the color. So if you want to change the color, you come here. These are the settings that you can do below here. So that is where you will see the color, the text, the animation. So the color, you click here. If you want to change font size, the font, you click here. If you want to change the animation, you click here. So let me change. I will leave it like as white. I can change the font. You see different fonts here. So let me just pick one. Then you click here. Or before you click there, let me click on it back. So if you want to edit what you have typed, Just click on T. Let me show you. Like this 50% discount. This is it. If I want to edit this now, this is where you click on. You click on this rather. If you want to, you don't want this and you want to delete it, you click on this X. Click on this X. And this one is the mark you will use to add it or to reduce it. Is that clear? All right, so let's continue. Because I don't want this video to be long, so I will need to pause it here. Let me just add the last text. So now arrange the text very well. So if you want to arrange the text, you click on T. So you will see the text. So I want to bring this one, this mega one. I want to bring it down here. You click and hold it, then drag it. Then you can click on it again and this mega, I can bring it down, then increase it. Just play with it. And I want it to be in the same place. And you see now, mega 6. This one, I can give it another. Just click on this pen. I want to edit it. I want to change the animation. Okay. Let me. Oh, all right. So let me add music. Then you add music. So I add music. Come here. So you have music on insert, and you can also add music from your gallery. Okay, any of the two. So I want to pick from here. Oh, you will need to on your network. Okay, on your data rather. Now to add music, just click on T. Sorry, on X. So this is it. Music. Click on music. So it will take you to music. I've added before. So when you get here, just click on it. Let me pick from this. So pick the one you like. After you pick the one you like, it will play. Actually, I don't like this, but I'll just show you how to get it done. So you click on this and that arrow key. Don't click on copy. Click on that arrow key. Then it's download. So wait and allow it to download. So once it's finished downloading, you click on use. Okay, click on use. Use applied to your video, you can see. So I'm having two audio now, so I'm going to delete. I will click on that audio. So I will click on delete. Now you can decide to use fade in. Just click on it if you want it to fade in and fade out. So that means your audio will not just jump in, but I'm deleting it right now. You can also reduce the volume. You can reduce the volume of the music or the sound so that it will not be too much, and you can increase the volume. So let me delete this. So that is the setting of the video. Okay? And let me change the background of. Then you come here and click OK. So I want to change something here. I want to change. Click on T. I want to on this one is okay here. Click that mark. Click on T again. On this one, and I want to change this one. I want to change the color. So if I want to change the color, you come here on the text. Click on that pen. So then you click on this. That is the color. It will bring out color. So this is the color. So I'm changing it to red. And you can give it background color. You can see there is a background color here. So if you click on that color, you will see background color here. So I like this. Other save money. Likewise, this 50% discount so that it will be feasible for people to see. I want to change the color to. So we click on this color beside the board. I will also pick this at the same time, and I will click on this. Click on just play with it. Okay, because there is a shadow effect. You can change. If I click on that, if I click on the color, I can change the shadow. I can add border. I can add opacity. I can add label. Click on it. So I don't want this video to be long, please. Okay, now after which I've done everything, what I will do is this. Under text or under all this, you can just see it. You can change the background. You can change the speed. You can rotate, play away with it. After which you have done everything, then you come back. You come back to save here. Save at the top. Save, and your video is ready. So you click on save. Yeah, it's safe now. which quality do you want? So the higher quality, so and that is all. Your video is ready. Your video advert is ready. It will load while you are saving it. It will load. I've already saved this. It will load. So let me play it for you. And once it's finished that, you just go to your gallery and play it. Your animation video is ready. Good. It's ready. The length of the video to avoid it to be too long. That is why I could not, you know, give out wonderful, videos so that everything will be short. So with this, you should be able to create your own and create for business owner. Okay, go and create yours now.